Have you ever drank a full 2 liters of Mountain Dew thinking you'll become the Incredible Hulk the next time you get angry? Well, that's what it's like to drive a Ford F-150.
Okay, guys, I thought maybe you'd want an intro for this one because it's so fucking crazy. What happened was, last night, my mom was lying on the couch here watching TV in the little cubby way in our entry to our living room, and our neighbor has one of those new Ford Lightning EV truck, electrical trucks, and he was backing into his driveway, and suddenly it went haywire, and it went into drive and shot across the street and rammed into and took out the wall, and was 1.5 feet away from smashing my mother to smithereens as she was lying on the couch there. She was 1.5 feet away from getting smashed. It just hit just to her right of her. So anyway, we're dealing with the whole assessment, insurance, and blah, blah, blah. You know the whole deal. And anyway, I'm going to show you last night the footage of all the chaos and the cops and the emergency and everybody coming. And it's pretty crazy. So here we go.
I'm so sorry, we're gonna fix this.
Oh my gosh. My mom was lying on the bed right there.
That can't, yeah.
My mom was lying on the couch right there. Yeah, look at this. Okay, shine the light in there. Oh my God, look at that.
Look at that.
Wow.
The wall, no man on earth can make it fall.
Come on out here. Wow. Here, put it on.
Go out in the road and get the pic.
Here,
Go out in the. No, go out.
I know. I'm gonna fix the flashlight. Here, hold this. Hold on. There, I'm making it wider. See? There.
What?
Here. Wow. What's that? No, my mom was sitting in the living room.
Are you injured at all?
No, I'm okay.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah, she's okay.
You want medical to check you out already?
Stop barking, Gucci. Gucci. Stop it. Put the flashlight on it.
The wall will hold on to the wall. The truck may be holding the wall up right now.
No, they're not. It's not holding anything. Watch out.
Come on, Obi.
Well, get the flashlight on. I want to get a good shot.
No, look. Look, right there. It's not attached at the top anymore.
Wow.
So
You almost got killed. You almost got killed.
Yeah, I know.
She was almost killed. Pretty crazy, huh? Crazy shit going on here, huh?
Are you in the house?
Yeah. My mom was right on the couch right there. She missed her by 1.5 feet. I know. Look at that craziness. Oh, and there's some good light in that here now. Take some video. Wow. What do you think?
We're sending this to your basement.
Yeah, she's going. Want to go in and look in the basement?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Go down this way?
Don't go on. Yeah, go ahead. Go in the house. Go in. Yeah. No. Yeah, down there. It's weird, the truck didn't even get damaged. You notice that? Yeah, the truck's not even damaged at all. Mom got so lucky, yeah. Oh no, that's a great thing. That's everybody's okay. That's all that matters. Everything's fixable. Don't worry about it.
Hey, so just to let you know what's going on.
Yeah, what's going on?
Well, I don't know. You want to get your mom over here and I'll tell both of you guys?
Yeah. Mama, come over. He wants to talk to us.
Yeah, I'm just going to kind of give you a rundown of what's going on.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the guys checked for some stability of the wall.
Yeah.
It looks like your room is okay stability-wise. I'm concerned about this wall that's right by the truck here.
Yeah.
I contacted the city building official.
Yeah.
So he'll come out and take a look at that. Especially tonight, now.
Oh, right now.
But especially when they pull this truck away from the.
That's what I said. When he moves it, what's going to happen?
We did go down into the basement and look.
Yeah.
And it looks like the foundation is okay.
Okay.
Didn't crack. I just came from there. It looks great.
I just wanted to double check with you. It sounds like you were close to this wall. You don't need any medical or anything like that?
I don't need any medical.
Okay. Was it obviously loud and stuff inside?
Wow, it was loud. We didn't know what. I thought it was like an earthquake or something.
Very loud. Very, very loud. And I pushed I was on the couch and I pushed the couch through.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And
And I saw and everything flew.
That's Gucci.
Gucci made it.
Gucci made it okay.
You're okay, dude.
Yeah, she's a good girl.
She's wondering what's going on.
I've seen some
though.
YouTube videos of Gucci.
Yeah, I bet you have. Ha ha.
Famous.
Yeah.
Quiet, Gucci, quiet. Here, I'm gonna go up there. Ah. Wow.
Yeah, that's amazing.
Here we are the next morning after the whole truck hitting the house from the street ordeal last night. I got Gucci with me. There, say hi, Gucci. 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 We're gonna put some clothes on Gucci, so we'll be right back.
Oh, there's already one up. Oh.
Yeah, it got pushed in pretty good, didn't it?
Oh yeah.
For just going across the driveway.
Well, yeah.
It's amazing. Well, we're getting back into gear. It's not going to take too long. We should have it fixed by no time at all. It should take no time at all. We'll be back to normal. Right, Gucci? Come on, say hi, Gucci. Gucci wants to say goodbye for now. Hi.
Exciting night.
I know, it sounds like it. Well, thanks for putting up the boards. I just want to get a quick peek at it.
Happy to help.
All right. Oh, looks good. What do you think, Gucci? What do you think? It looks good. Total construction. I mean destruction. I mean construction. I mean destruction. I mean construction.
Oh, sorry. One second.
Oh. Cut the saw through that old growth, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Don't make them like these.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow.
Cool. Just leave it like this. You guys have nice windows.
Well, that was a quick teardown.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
There we go.
Did the window come yet?
Window's not come yet, so for the time being, we'll frame it.
Okay, looks like the construction guys might be sponsored by Milwaukee. Pretty cool. Look at that. It's getting good. They're getting it done. This is an update. They've got the outer plywood on the outside. They've got the insulation in there. And my mom's real happy because they almost killed her with that big, huge electric Ford Lightning Ford pickup truck. But we're about to get this thing done and back in operation here in the front entry living room. Here it is. See the insulation up in there? Everything looks good. The hardwood floors are still pretty good. They'll take a quick sand and refinish. And that's our update. I don't know where my little doggy is. I'd have her say hi. Gucci's around here. There she is. Let me go say hi. Gucci, say hi. Come here, Gucci. Gucci, come here. Come say hi. Come say hi, Gucci. Come say hi.
What are you doing? I would say he's putting up drywall. You'll get like a...
So how's it going in there?
Oh man, good.
How's it? Is that the drywall you guys are putting in?
Oh, it's fine. Yeah, I like it.
It looks good, huh?
Yeah.
It looks good. You're doing a great job. It's fast. I almost missed it. I slept in. Haha, looks good. What kind of windows? Is it gonna be a nice window?
I don't know. I'm not sure, but I'm the.
Oh, you don't do you just do the drywall, huh?
Yeah, yes, only the.
Yeah, I heard that you're gonna leave the painting to my mom. My mom wants to do the painting. Is that right?
What's it?
Is my mom gonna do the painting?
Oh,
She don't care? Okay. Is it okay with you?
Oh, I'm fine.
You're not a painter, huh?
I'm painter too.
Oh, okay. All right. Anyway, back to the projects. There is the wall redone after the truck had smashed into it. Gucci likes to kiss me. It's looking a lot better. The plaster guy kind of did the drywall and did all the corners. It looks really, really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I've now have 1,200 subscribers, which I have 1,000 to get monetized. And if I get more views, if you like it, I'll get in the algorithm, and that would be great. So, okay, stay tuned. We're moving along. It's looking good.
Yeah, man, thank you. Almost.
You put any plaster on, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Hiding.
It looks nice.
Yep. If another coat and finish it, that's it.
We like it. We like it. Okay, well, folks, the ordeal is finally done, and the wall is rebuilt, and my mom is happy. And there is the final product with the new couch. My mom was sitting right there when that wall was caved in by the Ford Lightning EV truck. And now we are back in business, back to normal. Thanks, everybody, for all the help you did. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again. Bye-bye.